When you are ready to arrange your flowers, open the box and begin by removing the flowers bunch by bunch, without removing the cardboard wraps protecting the flower buds. Remove all other packaging materials from the box. Keep in mind that each bunch has 25 flowers. This is important when calculating the amount of flowers you will need for each arrangement. Prepare containers by filling them with room temperature water. Immediately after your flowers arrive, pour in and mix the enclosed floral food packet provided with each flower order. Save some floral food for when you change the water in a few days. Cut each stem 1 to 2 inches from the bottom of the stem. Place flowers in water immediately after cutting. Ideally, protective wrap should be kept while flowers are hydrating. Hydration occurs between 2 to 8 hours. Recutting flower stems from time to time is very important. Be sure to remove any leaves that have fallen below the waterline to prevent bacteria from forming. Floral food provided also helps limit the bacterial growth. Change water and cut flower stems every 2 to 3 days. Each time you change water, add more floral food and be sure that no leaves sit below the water level. With the passage of time, give your roses a facelift every couple of days by gently removing discolored or drooping petals from the roses. Roses take approximately 12 to 48 hours to bloom. Please keep this in mind and plan accordingly. Continue to refer to our Easy Steps guide to guide you when making your flower arrangements.